Welcome back. It's Back to the Basics. I am Sean Barr, and today we are talking multi-protocol label switching. That is MPLS. It's all about WAN today. Let's go! Welcome back to the basics. We are talking MPLS, more pre-little sandwiches. No, it's not that. It's multi-protocol label switching. And what is it? Well, it's a WAN technology that allows really service providers to ensure QoS end-to-end and also give you the ability to dynamically inject routing into the network. And so the days of frame relay were more point-to-point, point-to-multi-point type deal, or a point-to-point connection. MPLS solves the any-to-any type connectivity. So for things like voice and video over a WAN, MPLS is used, and it basically ensures that quality of service is carried end-to-end. We talked a little bit about it's a private network, so that means it's just for you as a customer. You'll buy MPLS from a provider. That provider will carve out a VRF or basically a virtual instance for you. That instance will be yours, and you will be the only one using it. Now, you'll still be going over shared infrastructure, so other customers are still on that infrastructure, but the information in there is really just yours. It's carved out for you. I mentioned it handles QoS end-to-end, so that is really important. So if you're doing VPN over the internet, QoS isn't guaranteed end-to-end. You can do shaping at the edge and you can prioritize at the edge, but what goes on in the internet is really out of your control. So MPLS ensures that your QoS markings are honored from the start of the WAN all the way through the WAN to the end. So that makes sure that on your receive side, if you're sending audio or video, on the receive side, the egress of the provider to you, your remote site, will honor that QoS and ensure that voice and video make it to that site before data does. Guaranteed bandwidth. So that's another thing. So on the internet, you don't typically get a guaranteed bandwidth end-to-end. MPLS ensures that your bandwidth from the edge is guaranteed throughout the environment and the core. So that's it in a nutshell. MPLS, private network, QoS end-to-end, guaranteed bandwidth, totally private network. Some of the downsides or some of the things to consider is you really have to pick one provider, because you can't have an MPLS. Well, you could probably tie an MPLS together with another provider, but historically it's one provider for that MPLS infrastructure, and so every site that you have will have to be on that same provider's network in order to support MPLS. So you get a little bit less flexibility in provider choice, and that's why a lot of people look at VPN type options. But those are the benefits of MPLS. If there's anything I said in here that you're like, dude, I need more info, give me more info on this, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.